Hey guys, today I have a Windows 11 virtual machine on. I have never actually used Windows 11 before. This is gonna be my very first time actually using Windows 11, so this is gonna be quite interesting. Getting ready. Getting ready for a long time, that's for sure. Oh, is this actually working? It restarted. Oh, there we go. Oh my god. Oh, here we are. Yeah, oh, look how laggy that is, oh god. Yes, United States. Yep, this is the, authentic Windows 11 experience. Something went wrong? Try again. Try again. Come on, really? Does it really take this long to install Windows 11? Oh, you mother... Just skip that, alright? Just fucking skip it. Checking for updates. You're gonna spend 20 minutes finding updates as well? Haha, almost there, just finishing up this last step. Yeah, and you're gonna take like 2 hours trying to finish it. Name your device? Hell, yeah. Unlock your Microsoft experience? Do I have to use a fucking Microsoft account for this shit? Oh my god. Oh, please let me use an offline account, I swear to god. No. No. Next. I don't care. Create one. E621 at hotmail.com. Can I use that? Oh my god. Can I do this? Oh my god, I can. Okay. Create a password. You 123 balls. Alright, is that a good enough password for you? Good. Fucking 1906, alright? I don't care. I don't want to add security info. Why? I don't care. I don't care. Oh my god. Your name contains characters that are... Oh my god. Now it's gonna load for another eternity. Create a pin? Just let me go to my goddamn desktop, bro. Oh my god. Okay, I don't... Provide a pin? No. Cancel. I don't care. Your account requires it? Oh my god damn. I'm making it 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't care. There. I don't care. Your pin can't be in common... Fine. 80085. Haha, because it spells boobs. No, don't track anything about me. F you, Microsoft. I don't want to deal with your shit. Alright. Entertainment, I guess. I don't know. Skip. I don't care about that. Why are there so many damn steps just to set up Windows 11? It's a Windows version. It's supposed to be ready out of the box. Decline. Decline. Checking for update again? Oh my, are you finally booting? Oh my god. Hi. No way. Wow, look at this PlayStation 2 looking setup thing. Good thing is coming your way. Yeah, biggest joke of the century. Jesus Christ. Almost there. Wow. Oh my god. We made it to the desktop. The start menu does not want to load. Nothing wants to load, actually. Oh, Jesus. Oh, what is that? TikTok? WhatsApp? Instagram too? It's supposed to be Windows, not f***ing like Android and shit. That's it. This. Yes, run it. Yes. Yeah. Yes. Yes. There we go. There we go. Now it actually looks good. Yes, finish. Sure, whatever. A million years for this to restart. What the hell? Oh, I think it was, right? Okay. Oh boy, here is our desktop. and the start menu still refuses to load immediately. Let's go into settings, shall we? Oh my god, that looks awful. Oh my god, I have to activate Windows before I can. Windows dark. Yes. Well, at least it's dark now. Alright, that's it. I can't take this anymore. I can't take this. No, I can't do it. Give me a stable operating system, please. Alright, thank you. Look at that. So clean, so simple. Why do you need such, like, over-the-top crap to put in your operating system? Like, look how simple this is.